This is the ultimate guide for getting your first or next Airbnb co-hosting client. In this video, I'm going to walk you through 5 steps that will guarantee your success pitching co-hosting. We're going to start with something that you need to do before the pitch. Doing this will drastically increase your chances of success. Then, if you stick around till the end, I'm going to show you the one secret I found that boosted conversions by 50%. Let's dive right in with what to do before the pitch. Setting the appointment. Most people overlook this step and set appointments that they have no chance of ever closing. But the first step to successfully pitching co-hosting is to pitch the right people. That's why the appointment setting call is absolutely critical. On this call, there are 7 things that you have to get right. First, you've got to identify why they need you. This can be as simple as asking questions like, what made you want to jump on this call with me? Or why is it that you're interested in working with a co-host? Next, you want to develop that need a bit more while building rapport. Get them to like you as a person and ask more questions to better understand exactly why they need help. From there, you're ready to schedule the appointment. But this is where most people drop the ball in a big way. Don't just casually book a time and end the call. Book a time and then confirm 3 details. 1, that they have 30 to 60 minutes set aside for the meeting where they'll be distraction free. 2, that all the decision makers are going to be there at the meeting. And 3, that they'll be ready to move forward with an agreement on the spot as long as they're happy with everything they see. If you nail all 3 of these points, your conversion rates will skyrocket. Not only that, but you'll also avoid countless hours of wasted time meeting with the wrong people. By the way, if you want my exact script for these calls, then check out BNB Tribe. For just $49 a month, you'll get access to everything. My appointment setting call script, my meeting script, my template co-hosting agreement, and more. If you want to check it out, the link is in the description down below. Okay, so now you've scheduled your appointment the right way, it's time to actually pitch. Your pitch needs to have 4 important elements to be successful. In the 4th element, there's one single sentence that'll instantly lead to at least 50% more conversions. The first part of a successful pitch is your discovery. Once you get to the appointment, you want to tour the property with the owner while asking questions. Now, this can be done in person or virtual, depending on how close you are to the property you're going to be co-hosting. The questions you ask here should be really similar to the ones that you asked on the phone. Your goal is to build rapport and get crystal clear on your prospective clients' pain points. People hire co-hosts to solve problems for them. So it's important that you get absolute clarity on what problems are the most important for you to solve for this client. Next, it's time to sit down and walk through what I call your client conversion value deck. This is a slide deck or a PDF that explains what you do and what problems you help to solve. And now that you know which problems are most important to this particular client, you can tailor your presentation and speak directly to what they care about. For the 3rd part of your pitch, you're going to walk the property owner through a profit projection sheet. This is basically a tool that'll show the owner exactly how much they can expect to make if they hand you their keys. This step is critical. And once again, if you want my template for this, it's included in BNB Tribe as well. BNB Tribe has everything you need to start or grow a successful co-hosting business. Expert training, custom tools, plus an awesome active community of fellow hosts. You can join today for just $49 a month. So if you want to check it out, the link to do so is in the description down below. But there's still one more critical step to signing co-hosting clients, and that's signing the agreement. But remember, there's one single sentence you can add here that'll land you 50% more clients. I call it the 100% satisfaction guarantee. This is a section of the agreement that guarantees the owner will be happy with your services. If not, they can cancel at any point within the first 90 days. If they cancel during this period, there will be no penalties whatsoever. They just give you a few days notice, you wrap everything up, and you hand the reins back over to them. At Adding this in drastically de-risks the decision for property owners. Now they're free to say yes without needing to worry that they'll be locked into some kind of long-term contract. It also shows that you're serious about creating a win-win relationship and that you're confident in your abilities. Once you sign the client on board, it's now time to deliver. If you want to save thousands hiring a lawyer to draft up an agreement, then grab our template in BNB Tribe. You'll also get step-by-step training and expert guidance to grow your co-hosting business quickly. The link to join is in the description down below. As always, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.